Click on the link below to get price. The Samsung S20 Ultra 5G is a powerhouse of a smartphone that combines cutting-edge technology with remarkable performance, making it a standout choice for tech enthusiasts and casual users alike. With its sleek cosmic black finish, the device exudes elegance and sophistication, ensuring it not only performs well but also looks stunning in hand. One of the most impressive features of the S20 Ultra is its massive 16 GB of RAM, which allows for seamless multitasking and smooth navigation between apps. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or working on multiple tasks, the device handles everything effortlessly without any noticeable lag. The 512 GB of internal storage provides ample space for all your photos, videos, and apps, and if that isn't enough, the phone supports microSD expansion, allowing you to add even more storage. The 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display is a visual treat, boasting a resolution of 3200 by 1440 pixels and a refresh rate of 120 Hz. This combination results in vibrant colors, deep blacks, and incredibly smooth scrolling, making it perfect for watching videos or playing games. The HDR10 Plus support enhances the viewing experience, ensuring that content is displayed with exceptional clarity and detail. Camera capabilities are another highlight of the S20 Ultra, featuring a 108MP wide lens, a 12MP ultra-wide lens, and a 48MP telephoto lens, allowing users to capture stunning images with incredible detail. The 100x space zoom feature is particularly noteworthy, enabling you to get close to distant subjects without losing quality. Video recording is equally impressive, supporting up to 8K resolution. Battery life is robust, with a 5000 mAh capacity that easily lasts a full day of heavy use. The fast charging capabilities, along with wireless charging and reverse wireless charging, ensure that the device is always ready to go. In conclusion, the Samsung S20 Ultra 5G is an exceptional smartphone that combines performance, design, and advanced features, making it a top choice for anyone looking to invest in a